Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change image size in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Click File, then click Open, and choose the image you want to resize. Once the image is open, go to the Image section in the top toolbar and click Resize. A Resize and Skew window will appear. You can resize the image by percentage or by pixels. For most cases, pixels is the better option because it gives you more control over the image dimensions. Make sure the Maintain Aspect Ratio option is checked. This keeps the image from becoming stretched or distorted. Now enter the new width value. The height will change automatically to keep the correct proportions. After entering the new size, click OK. The image will immediately be resized on the canvas. If the image looks too large or too small, you can click Resize again and enter a different value. When you are satisfied with the result, click File and choose Save As. Select PNG or JPEG, choose a location on your computer, and click Save. That's it. This is the easiest way to change image size in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.